What's up, everybody? So today is August 10th, and I'm going to be doing two tests. I have some rapid set left, so I'm going to redo this test, and I'm going to key in the silicone, the MS silicone. I'm going to key it into the waterproof membrane, and then I'm going to use the Everbilt adhesive sealant, and I'm going to do the same thing. That's why there's two of them here. So we're gonna run both tests at the same time. Let me just open this Everbilt sealant so it is ready to go. Now, what did I do with that knife? Here we go. So, as you can see, we got to open it right there. So let me just open this up and then do a half bead here. I'm going to cut it halfway so it can be a 1/2 inch bead or 1/4 inch bead, whatever. Yeah, that's about a 1/4 inch bead right there. Okay. So, the first one that I am going to do, I'm going to do the rapid set first because it's already on the gun. Now, let me just write rapid set here. Because I do want to make sure that this is getting done correctly. So we're going to run this test. Then I'm going to clean the tools real quick. And we're going to do the Everbilt system sealant. Okay, so I'm going to key it in this time because last time I did not key it in. I just pressed it in. So this time I'm going to run it. I'm going to make sure that it's embedded into the fabric, into the membrane. So like that. There's no mistakes. Now again, I wouldn't use this method to install the membrane on a floor, on a mud bed, but I would use this method to do all the banding and the corners. But again, the sealant has to work. So if this doesn't work, then there really isn't any reason to do it with the rapid set. Okay. Let me just wipe this in here. Okay, and then I'm going to just continue to key this in or burn it in, however you like to call it. It's all the same thing. Okay, so that's all nicely keyed in now. I am going to allow this to dry overnight. So there is the August 10th. And I'm going to put this right in here. Boom. And then we're going to flatten this out. Making sure that it is all embedded. Now I like to use these plastic knives so you don't break the membrane when installing these membranes and the liners, the seam tape, because if you break the seam tape or the waterproof membrane, you'll have to start over. And starting over when you're this ahead, it's really not a good idea. So there we go. Again, I already ran this test. I already saw that the rapid set does not work. I just want to make sure that I didn't make a mistake. Okay. So, there it is. This one's all done. Rapid set. And it's ready to go. So I'm just going to put this on this pail right here to let that sit and dry. Let me see if I can pick up some of this so I don't get it on the other one. Okay. And then I'm going to grab my little wipe here and wipe down these tools so that I can do the other sealant. Okay, there we go. Nice and clean. Let me clean out this one. And when I ran this test, I was very, very surprised that the rapid set did not work, because it is an MS sealant and it should have worked. But again, that could have been my fault. I don't know, but we're gonna find out today or tomorrow, because I'm gonna let that dry for 24 hours and then, or not 24 hours, I'm gonna let it dry until tomorrow and then dump it in water tomorrow. Okay. So let me grab another one of these wipes so that I can wipe my hands down. And I'm not trying to make this video extra long. I'm just don't want to start pausing. Okay. All right. So let's see if I can get some of this out of here. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the Everbilt sealant. Let me get this out of here. Put the Everbilt sealant in. There we go. Everbilt sealant. And we're gonna spread it on. I'll cap that later. Right now, let's key this in. Now these MS, which is modified saline, they are supposed to work with water, like cure underwater and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna put it in water. I'm just gonna let it dry on its own. Okay. So we're keying it in now. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, that should be good. Just lay that right there. Now we're gonna put our cardboard in the center. Center this up a little bit, and then here we're gonna put Everbilt adhesive sealant. There we go. All right. Now I'm gonna lock it in there. I know I'm creating a mess by getting it all over the outside, but this isn't about being pretty. This is about working. Okay. Grab another wipe because I really don't want to get it too dirty. I just want to be able to get it done quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, and the Everbilt sealant does have a little bit of a smell to it. I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but it does have a little bit of a smell. It's not overwhelming. You're messing with some type of chemical or some type of glue or something. Okay. All right. So that should do it. Okay. There we go. That should do it. That's the second one. Now we're going to let these dry and come back to these tests, to this test tomorrow once these are fully dry. And I'll tell you what the results are in a day or so, because I'll let it dry till tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. Sorry about that. Let me just grab some wipes so I can wipe down my hands. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna let it dry until tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, and I'll add water tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning, because it is about 7 o'clock tonight right now. I'll add it. I'll let it set and cure for 12 hours or so, whatever time I get up tomorrow. It is the weekend and I'm taking it off, so whatever time I do get up tomorrow, I'll add water to it. It could be 8, it could be 12. I will put a photo on the community, in the community right here on YouTube, so you guys know what time I dumped the rapid set and adhesive sealant with membrane in the water tomorrow. All right, so that's today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.